got the shocks on. I'm going to move on to putting on some body parts. So I'm going to put the deck lid on, and I think I'll put the front fenders on. That is the plan. So I got this spring on there already. I think that's the right way. I watched a video, someone had it on this way, so hopefully that's the right way. If not, I'll have to take it off. So I'm gonna go grab my wife, have her give me a hand putting this on. I'm gonna put this down first. Or we get up there, you look at the body, please.
At the top, you mean?
Yeah, I don't want to hit the car.
Yeah.
Okay. Up. I don't know what he did. How did he get that up there? I can't see. Am I close, babe?
Gotta go towards you.
No, there's no way.
Oh. Well, you gotta go long ways forward.
Yeah, that's not gonna work. How the heck? Hold on. No, be careful. If I take this one out, I'm gonna take the bottom one out, and then maybe we can. Pretty spring loaded. All right. Yep. There. Now I'm gonna go in.
There.
Okay. Now can you push it right there? I'm going to stick one in real quick on the other side. Hopefully that's right. Okay, go ahead and push it. Okay, I'm going to do the other one now. Trying to line that hole up. It's a little bit off. So see what we can do. We got the 4 bolts in. Now we're going to see if when we go to close it. All right, we're going to see. I adjusted a little bit. We're going to see if it rubs on anything. Moved it up. Too far.
Right now, it's starting to hit.
Okay. So I need to go down. This is going to take a while. Good. That looks pretty good, huh? Needs to come out. How do I make it go out?
Why does it need to come out?
It's like not lined up right here. Does that make sense?
Nope.
Does it look pretty good?
It's line up. I don't
No,
know.
I'm talking about this. It needs to go up. I think I would need to loosen these down here, the actual hinge, and move it over a touch. And I didn't touch it from the factory on purpose. Hop in.
No.
Yeah, or I can, well, I want to line it up. I was going to tell you.
Oh, you literally want me to hop in?
Yes. So here, let me get you a light. All right, Stacy got inside. I'm going to close it, and I'm going to line it up where I feel like it will look good. And then she's going to tighten those 3. How's it in there?
Fine.
You're good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead and tighten that side.
Okay.
Got them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then I don't know if you can go to the other side, or do you want me to open it and you spin around?
No.
You got it?
I'm trying.
You're good in there?
Mm-hmm.
Can't see you, but you're in there. All right, tell me when you're ready.
Okay.
I saw your little legs.
There. Rogue's freaking out.
Okay, give that a try.
Okay.
Got them? Okay, I'm gonna pop it open. It's really nice. I need you to
Loosen this side.
Yeah, loosen that side. Can you do it just from right where you are?
Yeah.
You want me to move that over here? Did I loosen those? I don't remember.
These?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna close it back up.
You want me to loosen all of them?
Yeah, go ahead and loosen them real quick. Not like a ton, but enough where I can move it. Yeah, you almost got stuck in there, Stacey.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Try that.
Okay.
Okay.
Got him. Okay. Hop on out, homie. Thanks, dear. Now I gotta try to put that spring back on. You think I could do it with the pliers? No. All right, you wanna hold the decklid up? Okay. Let's try that now. Hopefully we didn't screw it up too much. Good enough for a Beetle. Now we're gonna do the fenders. Excited?
That's right.
Deck lid's on. Might need to do a little adjusting later, but that's okay. My wrench. Oh. Got it. Okay. All right. Come in. And I got it right here. You want to just kind of hold it right there for a second. I'm going to get one started. Okay. And let go. Okay. Perfect. Thank you. I'm going to just stick them all in real quick here, and then we will adjust it accordingly. Okay. I don't know. Pretty sure they're all the same part number. Yes. Okay. Might need to let these warm up a bit. But for fun, I'm going to try it. Don't know if this would be the front or the back. Do you want to stick this side? There, let's see. Kind of line up. Then, yeah, there maybe. And then that one, yeah, kind of line up there. Yeah, that one lines up there, bro. Hey. Okay. Just beating on the side of my car. I don't know why that's so dang tight. Actually, like so. So we'll go ahead and just kind of tuck it all the way in here.
How far down?
As you can.
Okay. Did you already hide everything? Yeah. Okay. I have to try to find my phone.
Show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm just trying to line up this beading. It's the plan right now. And then as I line it up, I'm going to tighten down the fender. So, got it in. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty dang good. Turned out nice. I'll end up trimming the ends off probably after I get the running boards on. So I'm just going to let those dangle for a little bit. I'm going to work on that other side real quick, and that's it for the day. Boom, done. Fenders are on. Fender beading looks pretty good. All right. So I got the decklid on. Fenders on today. Shocks. I sanded and buffed this door. It's coming together. I think I'll probably put the doors on. I don't know. I need to do the headliner at some point. I guess the doors wouldn't be that big of a deal if they're on. I'll probably put them on. Next time I come out, doors will go on. I'm gonna wait to put the hood on because I gotta put the tubes down in there. So I don't want to put the hood hinge on. I want to have more access to get those tubes in, so I have to order those. Probably gonna order them tonight. Hopefully they can get shipped out, maybe be here by the end of the week. We'll see. But it's coming along. Looking good.